To start with, I will tell you the meaning of oil spills. Oil spills can be defined as the release of a liquid petroleum hydrocarbon into the environment, such as ocean, the grassland, or the cities.
Oil spill can be caused by human error. Distractness and being occur during the handling, transportation, or storage of oil can lead to spill. This includes errors in equipment operation, fail to follow safety protocols, and lack of training from personnel. Other than that, they can also make errors during the oil exploration, drillings, and extraction from the seafloor that often involves risk like blowouts. Other than that, we also got illegal dumping that might be caused from the ship or tank oil crash that can lead to oil being spilled on the sea or ocean. One of the effects of oil spill is environmental damage. Oil spill can devastate marine life by coating fish, coral reefs, and other marine life, suffocating them or poisoning them. It can damage critical habitats for wildlife, including wetlands and beaches. Fish are particularly vulnerable because the oil can contaminate their eggs, kill larvae, and or cause mutiny. Besides marine ecosystem, soil contamination can be caused if the oil reaches the shore, impacting agriculture and local ecosystem. Besides that, life hazard is one of the effects from oil spill. Human life is at risk due to exposure to a toxic chemical in the oil. Workers involved in the clean-up operation nearby communities and individuals handling contaminated goods can experience respiratory issues, skin irritation, and other health problems. Cleaning up oil spill requires significant results. Methods like skimmer, booms, and dispersants are used, but they often cannot fully remove the oil. In addition to the physical cost of cleanup, the long-term environmental resolutions can take years or decades. Long-term exposure to oil products can cause chronic conditions including cancer and liver damage. The long-term effects of oil spill can include the slow recovering of ecosystem. Coral reefs may take decades to recover, and the food chain can be disrupted for years. The ability of affected areas to return to their natural state depends on the scale of the spill and the effectiveness of the military effort.
Between two examples of oil spill cases in Malaysia. First, on 30 May 2016, an oil spill occurred off Penang northern coastline, especially near Tanjung Tokong, in the Strait of Malacca. This incident would soon become a significant environmental concern. The cause of the spill was believed to be a shipping accident, possibly involving an oil tanker or another ship discharging oil into the water. Though the exact cause was not immediately confirmed, but the spill raised was into a serious concern. The spill poses a serious threat to a region's marine life, including fish, coral reef, and coastal vegetation. It also jeopardizes the local fishing industry, which depends heavily on the health of this ecosystem. Next example is in April 2009, an oil spill occurred at Port Klang. Port Klang, known as a major port located on the west coast of Peninsular Malaysia. The spill would later become a significant environmental incident affecting both marine life and local industry. The spill was caused by a collision between a crude oil tanker and a container ship. The impact ruptured the hull of the tanker, releasing approximately 1,000 metric tons of oil into the sea. The oil quickly spread over a large area, not only affecting the water near the port, but also impacting the nearby coastline. The resulting oil leak poses a serious threat to both marine life and coastal habitat. The spill endangered the marine ecosystem from fish and coral reef to seagrass bed. It also put a local fishing industry at risk as oil contamination harmed the water and marine organisms that depends on them.
Oil spills can have devastating environmental consequences affecting ecosystems, wildlife, and human communities. To effectively prevent and manage oil spills, tailored strategies are needed for different settings such as farms, grasslands, cities, and towns. Here's a detailed breakdown. Farms and grasslands. Oil spills in rural areas, especially on farms and grasslands, can be particularly harmful, impacting soil fertility and nearby water sources. Here's how to address such incidents. Remove contaminated soil. Once a spill occurs, immediately assess the affected area. Contaminated soil can be removed manually or with excavation equipment. In some cases, on-site burning of the contaminated soil may be used as a last resort to prevent further environmental damage. Absorption materials. Use natural or synthetic absorbent materials to soak up the spilled oil. Example include straw, sawdust, or commercially available oil absorbent pads. These materials can then be collected and properly disposed of. Cities and towns. Urban areas face unique challenges due to their dense populations and extensive drainage system that can quickly transport oil spills into water bodies. Here's how to prevent and manage oil spills in cities. Proper disposal practices. Never flush oil down drains or dispose of it in regular trash. This can lead to severe contamination of water supplies and sewer system. Instead, utilize municipal recycling programs specifically designed for oil disposal. Clean up with heavy equipment. For significant spills on street or urban oils, heavy equipment like vacuum trucks or skimmers may be required to remove the oil. Following this, soil restoration techniques can be employed to restore the affected area. Thank you, and that's all from us. Bye!